Now here I use a little profile, and we're going to use the feature measuring here. You add new measurement, that's what you have to click, and then you click again into the field, and you can move these little squares to the area of interest which you want to measure. By clicking into the field and using your mouse wheel, you can enhance the magnification on the screen. Now what you see here is basically we want to measure the distance from here to there, and it's not picking the right pixel here, so we have to make some adjustment, which is done here with the features. You pull down the feature list, and then width is first of all is okay. Then we look, feature 1 is this one, we should use the right pixel, and feature 2, that's this one, we should use the left pixel. And of course now you have the very left and the very right pixel, so you have basically the gap width, which is shown down here. And of course you also have another result screen if you want to use this one, or you have an offset and multiplier, and you can also set your minimum and your maximum value. That means whenever it is within this tolerance it's good, and outside it's not good. The good thing is here, as with the circle fitting as well, you can add a new measurement. You do it again and you click in here, and let's say we want to measure the distance down here. We can do that again. Of course we still have to set again to the new features, which is then further down. We have to go to feature 02. You realize that's 01, 02, so we have to go down here, and we also use again here on the 01 we have to use the, I think, the leftmost one, and over there you have to use the rightmost one. Now again we have a value 6.4 millimeters, and we can do that again and again and again. For instance, we want to measure the height between here and there. That's what we can do again. If you go over there, add new measurement, and then take it over here, take this one over there. Now it's feature number 3, so we have to scroll down. They're always added to feature number 3, click it open, and then go for height. You see there's width, height, distance, and position. So the distance is direct and the height is the height, as it says. Now what we here should use is average. That's not so bad because they're straights, so we can use quite a larger item, and even if they're overlapping, that does not really make a difference. So here you have again the same features with the height and result screen and Tara and so on. Okay, so you can keep continuing doing that, so to the point where it's not very clear anymore. So depending on what your needs are, you can add more and more measurements. Of course, if you want to remove them, you can say clear all measurements, and they're gone.